Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Bailey made a request in the comments for Eli Lilly. Thank you, Bailey, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. With a market cap of $265 billion, Eli Lilly is a S&P 500 company within the drug manufacturers industry. The stock price has overperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Most data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 5.9%. Earnings growth, 18.9%. Earnings estimates, 12.3%. Return on capital, 21.09%. Debt to free cash flow, 3.13 years. Share buybacks, yes. And now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 1.41%. Payout ratio, 41.62%. Growth rate, 11.48%. Growth years, 8 years. That gives Eli Lilly 8 out of 10 points. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at this company for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Eli Lilly is significantly overvalued. What's your thoughts on Eli Lilly in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a stock request in the comments regarding future videos. If you found value in this video, please leave a like and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.